Oscar, hi. I thought that I would give you a movie that will help explain the way I'm thinking so that you can understand my emails to you. I asked you to send me 3 cubes, and I gave you and here is a set of them that I made. I call it 1, 2, 3. And this is how I make these things, and this is important. This is the code you gave me for the first one. This is number 1. It's 3NA, I'm sorry, C3N, A2N, B0S, etc. Each triplet represents a different face. The faces 1 through 6. So I'm going to make a cube right here. I've cut it out here, and the net that I'm using is called a large T. And so we'll take this large T, and we'll label them. This is 1 in my nomenclature, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Those are the face numbers. And this is, well, I'm going to be doing the first cube, number 1. So I'll write O-N-E for 1 on there. Now the first one has a C. And normally the C would be upright, but we're rotating it 3 times counterclockwise. And so the C would look like this on this particular one. And the N means it's north, and I indicate north just by a square around the letter. And then we'll go to number 2. This is the second face. This is the A, but the A is gone 2 times counterclockwise. I mean, not counterclockwise. It doesn't matter in this case, but it's always clockwise. A. And the N here means that we will draw a square around it.
Because it's north?
It's north. But the next one is south, and it's a B. And the 0 means it's upright, and it's south, so we draw a circle around it. Then you go to number 4. This is a C, but it's upside down. It's been rotated twice. And it is an S, meaning it's south. Number 5 is an A. It also has been rotated clockwise twice. And it is an N. And then the last one, number 6, is a C, just like that one that's been rotated twice, and it is also in south. And then this is the way we make the cube. We take the T off, and we'll bend it so that number 1 will be the top, number 2 will be the left, number 3 is the front, 4 is the right, the bottom will be number 5, and then the back will be number 6. Now, when you turn these things around, and so this is the same as this one here, and I turn it to face number 6, and you can see that these things are the same.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm not going to work with the floppy one. I'll work with this. So then I've labeled these 1, 2, and 3, and this is called the normal position. And so when we do a turn on a cube, we just do 90 degrees. And now this is the new normal. It's not a normal. It's one. And so I will progress through all 24 positions. This is position number 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, did I do that right? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we go to number 2, and we say 1, 2, 3, 4. Boy, I'm getting confused this time. You don't have to worry about that. We'll just go and try and understand this direction that you wanted to do, and that was, what is a 0, 10, 12, 1? Now, I pulled this from the elbow, and I have an instruction, 0, 10, 12, 1, and it prints out. First cube has to move face 5. First cube has to have face 5 turned twice. So this is the first cube, it's labeled 1, and it has, you go to face 5, and this is 5, or the upper right-hand corner. Okay, in the upper right-hand corner, and you have to turn it twice. 1, 2. That's the first one. Now we take the second one. The second one isn't always number 2, but in this case, the second cube is number 2. It goes in the same place. So we go to phase 3, which is very simple, that one. And that's all it is phase 3. Now we're going to make the L shape, so that we're going to have A, B, C with this. And so the phase 3. And the third cube has to have face 1, turn once. So this is 1, we turn it once, we get the C. Now here we have what we wanted. A 0, B 0, C 0, A, B, C. Now let's check to see if the magnets work. And we look like there, and there is a north and a south. And then we look at these two, and that's a north and a south. So this is the one of 3 solutions that you can have in the elbow with the A, B, C, all looking straight up at you. Thank you very much. Please email me if you have any questions on this, or replay the tape to see if I passed over something too fast. I'll look for an email on this. Thanks, bye.